Your UI looks amazing, it's clean, it's minimal, and it's completely useless. Welcome to the accessibility, where we stop designing for portfolio and start designing for users. Nowadays, most juniors think accessibility means high contrast for old people, and that's not true. Accessibility is for people with, for example, color blindness or different injuries, or even the person with shaky hands trying to use your app on a bumpy bus. 1 in 6 people with disabilities, so if your next B2B marketing SaaS powered by AI isn't accessible, you're literally ghosting 15% of your potential revenue. It's important because as a designer, you have a superpower building the world people live in, and it's your job to make sure a user don't need a PhD or 20/20 vision just to click checkout. There are few important things that you have to follow to make your app great. First of all is contrast, and stop using light gray on white. Normal text needs a 4.5:1 ratio, large text 3:1, UI elements like borders and inputs 3:1 also, and don't just rely only on color. If red is your only way to show an error, the 300 million people with color blindness are going to have a bad time. Second one is typography. Dribbble loves 12 pixels lightweight fonts, real life doesn't. Your base body text should be minimum 16 pixels. Adjust your line height so the text can actually breathe. If it looks too big or no super professional, probably your eyes are just used to bad design. Next one is focus state, and remember, focus is not hover. Focus state is for power users which use only keyboard or a voice control. Every interactive element needs a clear focus border, so if I hit tab and nothing happens, your site is broken. When we talk about focus, let's cover another component states. A button isn't just a rectangle, it needs a soul and idea behind. You need states for everything, especially disable and error. Don't just make it look gray, tell the user why they can click it. The next common mistake in perfect Dribbble design is a placeholder, and placeholders are not the labels. When the user starts typing, the placeholder disappears, and they can only rely on the memory of what was that field for. So use labels always. Next mistake is small button that looks great, and stop designing like that. Human fingers are thick. Your tab target should be at least 48 by 48 pixel. It might look not ultra minimal, but at least people can actually use it while walking. Now let's cover almost the last thing, and that's gonna be hierarchy. Use your H tags correctly. There should be only one H1 per page. It's like GPS for screen readers. Don't skip levels just because you like the font size of H4, because structure is more important for the end user. Finally, the last advice is stop giving user cryptic error codes. Error like this, it's a developer cry for help. Give user clear text-based message, and that has been accessibility in a couple minutes. If that was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.